Well, here we go. About 20 minutes. Got that back to square one. Got the passenger side just tied up for a second there. Just using this little strap. It's wedged in there well now. So I gotta lift this engine up a little bit. We'll throw a couple little bolts in there just to hold that passenger side up for a second while we're messing around doing some other stuff. And then we'll just start assembling, putting everything back together. The unfortunate thing is, because those headers are up. I've got this nice ceramic coated TTI header that I'm gonna use for running around now. So anyhow, we're gonna carry on, and we'll just do periodic updates throughout the day of where we're at. All right, you guys have a great day, and I will. Thanks for coming along for the ride, and don't forget to check out my YouTube channel, Messing with Mopars. Have a great day.